Welcome to NarrateX. This is where stories are born. All you have to do is write, simulate, design, play ethically and sustainably. NarrateX, where storytelling meets sustainability and ethics. In a world driven by narratives, the power to shape our future lies in the stories we tell. NarrateX is a platform designed for creators, gamers and innovators who believe in the potential of stories to inspire change. Through NarrateX, we provide tools to craft narratives that are not only engaging, but also socially responsible and environmentally conscious. Whether you're an author, game designer or content creator, NarrateX empowers you to generate stories that reflect ethical values and sustainable practices. The user journey begins here on the home page, where the home page provides a deeper understanding of how the site works and directs the user towards all the primary and secondary functions on the home page. The home page offers a wide range of options, covering everything related to the site as a whole. But if you lost the place you want to go to, you can use the search field, or you can watch the demo video. Maps. The homepage explains the most important features of the site and presents the achievements you have made in games that have already been released. Our goal is to make the user curious to learn more. And when moving to the onboarding page, the user can browse here and understand the steps that enable him to use the site's services completely. In the end, we do not want him to leave without sticking with it if he does not have time to follow the steps and start using the site. We offer him the option to subscribe to our exclusive newsletter. The site offers a range of important options, research and educational tools that are of interest to storytellers. But today, we will focus on the main platform feature, which is to narrate and then create a new story. On this page, after the user registers, he can start writing his narrative and request help at any time from the artificial intelligence system during writing, or request hints from artificial intelligence algorithms to guide the writer in the best way. Here, the user can view the most important advice from experts in writing narratives, which will be a treasure for the writer. As for the team that contains more than one writer, members can leave notes to each other while working on the project collaboratively. If you are satisfied with what you have written so far, you can move on to NarrateX to analyze and simulate your narrative and see its impact on the community you have chosen. The next step in the series of steps in helping narrative writer is to simulate their narratives and see its impact on the chosen society. Here you can choose the country you want to apply the simulation to. In our case, we will choose Germany, for example, and each time you change the country, the simulation will automatically change according to your narrative text. On the right side of the workspace, NarrateX will provide you with general information about what is happening on the page to support the user during the process of reading the output. Here, you can read the impact of your narrative, for example, violence, nudity, and environmental risks. Directly below, there will be a map showing the impact in several regions of the world, with a focus on the chosen country, and other information. And before the end, NarrateX will generate a final report to explain the simulation. In case you are not satisfied with the results, NarrateX gives you the option to control the quality of your narrative and reduce or increase the impact according to your requirements and vision with artificial intelligence supervision. In case you are finished with the modification, you can re-support the narrative according to the new data or save the current information. I'll move on to generating illustrations here. After writing your narrative and adjusting it in the appropriate way, NarrateX will provide you with the option to generate illustrations will help you visualize your narrative. All you have to do is go to this page, adjust the settings, choose the artistic type you want the illustrations to appear in, for example, and click here on Generate. A few moments will pass until the artificial intelligence in NarrateX generates the illustrations. Here, graphics appear that simulate your narrative. Finally, you can save the project or export it as a file that you can use in game engines, or also publish your experience in the NarrateX community. Thank you for your time, and I hope NarrateX will be a useful tool towards a better change in the world of video games.